In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send payment requests on Wise. Let's walk through it together so you can confidently request money without any confusion. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile phone. Make sure you're signed in and your app is up to date and that you have a stable internet connection. This helps everything load smoothly and prevents hiccups while you create the request. From the main screen, look for the request option. It's usually right on the home screen or in the navigation bar, often near the send button. Tap request to begin and then choose request a payment. This tells the app you want someone else to pay you rather than sending money out. Next, choose who should receive the request. You can enter a name to select someone from your contacts or type their WiseTag email address or phone number. Any of these will work, so use whichever detail you have. Double check spelling and numbers to ensure your request reaches the right person. If the contact appears in your list, select it to speed things up. If you're not sure which detail the person uses, or they're not saved in your contacts, select the Anyone option. This creates a flexible request that's easy to share, even if the recipient isn't already in your address book or doesn't use a specific identifier. If you prefer using a QR code, you can scan one with your mobile phone. When you see the QR option, open the scanner in the Wise app and point your camera at the code. Keep the code centered and hold your phone steady so it's recognized quickly. This is especially handy when you're together in person because it lets the other person connect to your request without typing anything. You can also share your request directly. Tap Share to send the request link through your preferred app, such as text, email, or chat. Pick the channel the recipient checks most frequently to speed up payment. Including a short, clear message explaining what the payment is for can help the recipient recognize the request right away. That's all there is to it. Open Wise, tap Request, choose. Request a payment, add the recipient by name, WiseTag, email, or phone, or use the Anyone option if you don't have their details. Then scan a QR code if that's easier, or share the request link so they can pay you in a couple of taps. Follow these steps and you'll be sending clear, professional payment requests on Wise with confidence.